Prestigious Swiss watchmaking maison Bovet and famed Italian design house Pininfarina have teamed up yet again to create another groundbreaking timepiece that seamlessly blends technical excellence and appealing aesthetics. Meet the brand new Bovet and Pininfarina Aperto One, which is an ultra-contemporary and playful take on a traditional skeleton timepiece, powered by a brand new, hand-wound, open-worked manufacture movement. If you have any questions about this timepiece or about Bovet or Les Ambassadeurs, ask us in the comment section and our watch experts will get back to you right away. But what's better than to see this or any other Bovet in person and deep dive into the world of timepieces at Les Ambassadeurs? You are always welcome to discover this timepiece with our watch experts at one of our boutiques in Geneva, at the famous Rue du Rhône, in Zurich at Bahnhofstrasse, at one of the most exclusive shopping avenues in the world, or in the beautiful city of Luzern at Kappelplatz. In the meantime, we invite you to our web shop where you can explore a wide selection of the latest Bovet timepieces. Based on a shared passion for beauty, craftsmanship and innovation, the partnership between Bovet and Pininfarina began in 2010. The unique skills that both houses bring to the table have resulted in an extraordinary collection of collaborative timepieces, including the Cambiano, Sergio, 80 and 86 models. The newest collaboration, the Aperto One, continues the fruitful alliance, illustrating what can be achieved when the skilled artisans from Bovet painstakingly execute the creative vision of the design team at Pininfarina. Aperto is the Italian word for open, which is exactly how to describe the open work dial of the Aperto One watch. Designed and built with transparency and lightness in mind, the face of the watch reveals as much of the movement as possible without sacrificing the readability of the time. The Aperto One is available in two colors, blue and yellow, and these colors are cleverly used throughout the dial to facilitate legibility. For instance, the slightly off-centered hour and minute hands, running second subdial at 6 o'clock, and power reserve indicator between 9 and 10 o'clock are all rendered in either yellow or blue for easy reading. What's more, the chapter ring around the periphery of the dial, complete with 12-pointed accents that serve as hour markers, is executed in a matching color. To power the Aperto One, Bovet developed a new manufacture movement known as the caliber 15BM PF09OW. This hand-wound movement beats at a frequency of 18,000 vibrations per hour and supplies the Aperto One with a generous 7-day power reserve. To achieve the movement's open-worked architecture, Bovet removed everything extraneous and placed the bridges and plates at the center. The structure of the caliber may have been reduced to its bare essentials, but Bovet spared no time and effort in executing this to perfection. In customary Bovet form, the finishing and decoration of the movement are exquisite. The maison used a combination of PVD and CVD coatings to obtain the desired dark colors, as well as a mix of bead blasting, graining and polishing for an appealing mix of textures. If we look closely, we see the hallmarks of high-end horology, such as pearlage, anglage and circular Côte de Genève decorative techniques. A testament to Bovet's dedication, each movement undergoes a minimum of 10 hours of hand finishing just to complete the plates and bridges. The sapphire crystals on both sides of the case allow us to see and appreciate the movement's skeletonized construction and the detailed finishing of each of the components. Encasing the open-work movement of the Aperto One is a grade 5 titanium case sized at 42 mm in diameter and 11.95 mm thick. Thanks to its thoughtful proportions and the lightness of titanium, the watch is supremely comfortable on the wrist. The total weight of the watch, strap and buckle included, is a mere 63 grams. To match the darker tones of the movement, the case is sandblasted and has a somber matte finish. The case flanks include hollowed-out details, which emphasizes the sporty nature of the watch's design. The winding crown is placed at 12 o'clock, shrouded in textured rubber that's colored matched to the details on the dial. The resulting effect is a crown that looks like an automobile tire, no doubt a nod to Pininfarina's expertise in car design. One of Bovet's most famous innovations is its patented Amadeus system, which not only makes the timepiece reversible, but also allows it to convert from a wristwatch into a table clock or pocket watch without the need for any tools. Bovet drew inspiration from this pioneering mechanism to design the new interchangeable strap system of the Aperto One watch. Wearers simply have to press these pushers to remove the strap and swap it in for another one. Supremely easy to use, and all it takes is a few seconds. Fittingly, the Aperto One comes with a fabric strap in either black or blue, so wearers can take advantage of the new system. Additional straps can also be purchased. Modern, vibrant and mechanically exceptional, the new Aperto One skeleton watch by Bovet and Pininfarina cements an exciting new chapter for the pair's collaboration. The Pininfarina-led design language offers a fresh iteration of the traditional open-worked aesthetic. The watch is priced at 52,800 Swiss francs. We are delighted to have the Bovet Pininfarina Aperto One at one of our boutiques or via our online store, where you can even take advantage of our super fast flash delivery service. We will deliver any timepiece on stock within 3 hours to any location in Switzerland. What do you think of the new Aperto One watch from Bovet and Pininfarina? Are you a fan of open-worked watches in general? If you could draw inspiration from any car, which one would it be? Your opinion matters to us. Please share your questions, experiences and thoughts in the comment section. In the meantime, subscribe to our channel and click the bell button to never miss the latest news, releases and hands-on reviews ever again. Thank you for tuning in and see you next time.